Data and AI sphere is expanding. Industries struggle to keep the pace. Organizations cannot efficiently and timely secure and activate the data for AI. Regional and industrial regulatory requirements for safer use of data and AI make this challenge further complex. Data and AI teams need to model multi-cloud data estate using durable business taxonomy and logical data concepts. Need to know how to federate the management of our data estate by empowering governance domain teams and how to empower users to responsibly democratize data to enable faster to curate and easy to discover data estate. What is DataFabricks? DataFabricks is a platform-agnostic approach to look into modern industry problems of data and AI enablement and exploring and applying recommended industry solutions and methods. We learn from data and AI enablement processes and frameworks, industry and solution expert talks, and looking into platforms, products, and solutions available to address data and AI enablement challenges. Let's connect, learn, and discuss how to bring easy and safe access to data and AI by enabling search across entire data estate using basic terms and natural language. Curate our data estate to be organized and accessible using domain-driven approach. Activate data by continuous understanding of the health and quality of data estate. DataFabricks, data and AI enablement at scale of AI.